Hello everyone, Monica here and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm sharing how I prepare pineapple, especially when I'm feeling under the weather. As you can see, I'm taking my time to carefully remove the eyes. Later, I will show you how I remove them safely. Because these little spots in the pineapple, if I'm not wrong, it has more than 100 eyes for one pineapple. It can be quite irritating to the gut, so it's worth the extra effort. So friends, the first thing that we need to do is to cut off the skin. After that, we have to cut off the eyes. I always follow the lines of the pineapple, so it is easier to cut it like that. For me, this is the best method I always use to cut pineapple. I don't think so there is any better method than this, because I want to maintain the juicy pineapple and the taste. Also, I don't want to waste the flesh. It also tastes better in our tongue when we eat it by cutting using this method. Pineapple isn't just delicious, it's packed with benefits. One of its most remarkable components is an enzyme called bromelain. Bromelain is a natural anti-inflammatory, which means it can help reduce swelling and pain. This is especially helpful for things like sore throats and even muscle aches. It also aids in digestion, which is why pineapple is often recommended after a heavy meal. And friends, I always throw away this heart in the middle part of the pineapple because they are too hard to digest for our gut. So you see, if you cut it this way, you will not waste too much of the flesh of the pineapple and you are saving your money. Because pineapple is quite expensive too, especially in Europe. And now I'm slicing the pineapple along its natural fiber lines. This makes it easier to chew and digest. And because I have a bit of a sore, itchy throat, later I will add some salt. So I will keep the remaining in the refrigerator and I can consume them or I can use it for cooking. And a light sprinkle of salt can actually eliminate the sap. Salt is my go-to remedy for that greasy, irritated feeling. It helps to soothe and cleanse. Beyond bromelain, pineapple is a fantastic source of vitamin C. We all know vitamin C is crucial for our immune system. It helps our bodies fight off infections and keeps us healthy. A single serving of pineapple can provide a significant portion of your daily vitamin C needs. So, while I'm dealing with this cough, Pineapple is a natural way to boost my defenses. And friends, you know, another hidden gem in pineapple is manganese. This mineral plays a vital role in bone health and metabolism. It also acts as an antioxidant, protecting our cells from damage. And let's not forget the hydration factor. Pineapple is mostly water, making it refreshing and hydrating fruit, especially important when you are feeling a bit dehydrated from a cough or cold. The natural sugars in pineapple also provide a quick and healthy source of energy. So if you are feeling sluggish, a few slices of pineapple can give you a gentle boost without the crash you get from processed sugars. Now, as with anything, moderation is key. Pineapple is naturally sweet, so consuming too much can lead to a spike in blood sugar. So if you are watching your sugar intake, be mindful of your portion sizes. Also, while bromelain is generally beneficial, some people can be sensitive to it. In rare cases, it can cause allergic reactions or digestive upset. If you experience any discomfort after eating pineapple, it's best to consult a doctor. Overall, pineapple is a wonderful fruit with numerous health benefits. It's a delicious way to support your immune system, aid digestion, and stay hydrated. I hope this little demonstration and information has been helpful. Remember to listen to your body and enjoy pineapple in a moderation. I have enjoyed some slices and let the natural goodness do its work. Take care, friends. Stay healthy.